Good morning, children. I am Santoshi, your maths teacher. How are you all at home, children? I hope you all are safe and healthy. And you are doing your homeworks up to date, on time, neatly, right? Good. So let's start our class now. Children, I have some sketches with me. Now I am counting these sketches and putting in these bowls. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. This side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this side I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This side I have 3. Isn't it, children? So 5 plus 3 sketches is equals to 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. Isn't it? 5 plus 3. These are 8 sketches I have now. Okay. So now I want to put all these sketches together in this. Let us count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now I have only 3 sketches here. So how many sketches are in this? There are no sketches. So when there is nothing. So in maths what I say, when there are no sketches in this bowl, in maths I say it is 0. It is 0. Yes, children. So if I count 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0, the answer will be 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, children. I have 3 sketches here and the other bowl there are 0. So when I count 3 plus 0, it is 3. I get the answer as 3. So this side I have 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. 3 triangles I have. This side I have 3 triangles. 1, 2, 3. So if I am counting 3 plus 3, my answer will be, if I am counting 3 plus 3, my answer will be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, children. Now, if I am counting, for suppose I have here 4. This side, I don't have any triangles. So, 4 plus 0. If I am counting 4 triangles plus 0, my answer will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means when I add 0 to a number, the answer will be the number itself. When I am adding 0 to anything, for example 2 plus 0, it will be, the answer will be the number itself. It means it is 2. So I'll show you few examples on the board. Let's look over here. So children, here I have some balls. So let us count 1, 2, 3. 3 balls plus 3 plus 1 ball. So how many balls I should have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. Isn't it, children? Which we have already learned in our previous classes. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. Now, if this side there are no balls, so it means 3 plus 0, because here there are no balls. So my answer will be the number itself. It means it will be 3 only, because 3 plus 0. Here no balls. So here it is only 3. So 3 plus 0 is equals to 3. It means when we add 0 to a number, the answer is the same number. The answer is the same number. Let's look into some examples. So 6 plus 0 means the answer is itself. The answer is the same number. It means it is 6. 2 plus 0 means The answer is the same number. In addition, if we are adding, it will be all together. We will write the number after counting. So if I count 2 plus 0, here I don't have anything. So my answer will be the number itself. It will be 2. So here I have 7 plus 0. 0 means nothing. And in addition, if I am counting the answer, I will put together. All together I will put the answer. So 7 plus 0, it will be 7. It will be the answer itself. In addition, it will be the number itself when I am adding. And if I am adding 1 to the number, if I am adding 1 to the number, the answer will be the next number. After 4, 5 will come. So 4 plus 1, 5. So 2 plus 1, if I am adding 1 to the number, the answer will be the next number. So 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. 1, 2. 2 plus 1, how much? 1, 2, 3. The answer will be 3. So 3 plus 1. 1, 2, 3 plus 1. The answer will be 4. The answer will be 4. If I am adding 1 to any number, the answer will be the next number. So 3 plus 1, 4. For example, I am counting 5 plus 1. It will be 6. 8 plus 1. It will be 9. So let us learn the next topic. It is addition fact. Addition fact. So here what are there? What are these? These are kites. Here I have 2 kites. 2 plus 1. Here I have 1 kite. So that is equals to 3. 1, 2, 3. That is equals to 3. For example, if I change the order. Here I have drawn 1 kite. So if it is 1 plus 2. 1 kite plus 1, 2. 2 kites. Here it will be how many kites? 1, 2, 3. 3 kites. So when we add 2 numbers in any order, the answer will not change. It will be the same. If you add from this side to this side or this side to this side, the answer will always be the same. Let us see another example. Let's look this example, children. How many triangles are this side? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles. Plus means addition. Here how many triangles are there? 2. So total how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My answer is 6 over here. I am just changing the order. Here 2 triangles are this side. I am writing the first time this side now. So 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is equals to how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have you seen your children? If I do 4 plus 2, the answer is 6. In case if I do 2 plus 4 also, the answer will be 6. If I am changing the order in addition this side or this side, the answer will be same. The answer will be same. It will not change. Isn't it, children? When I am changing the order this side to this side or this side to this side in addition, the answer will be same. It will not change. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6 or 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. Let us see some example, children. 2 plus 6 is equals to 6 plus 2. So what will be my answer? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6. Another 2. 1, 2. So my answer will be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 2 is equals to 2 plus 6. My answer will be 8. 5 plus 3. How much I'll get 5 plus 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. then 3. 1, 2, 3. So 5 plus 3 will be 8. Or 3 plus 5 is also 8. So if you are changing the order 5 plus 3 or 3 plus 5, your answer will be the same. So children, today we have learned about adding 0 and 1 and addition fact. So your homework for today will be page number 28. You should do 5th bit. Page number 29, 6th bit. That's all for today's class, children. Again, we shall meet again in our next class. God bless you all, children. Thank you so much.